Yes, that sounds pretty good.
Hello, my beautiful sorors of Lambda Epsilon Omega chapter. I am Edwina Boggs, and today we're going to do something very special, and that is make a wreath. This is what you requested, and that's what we're going to do. Now, it's going to be a basic wreath. Okay, sorors, let's make sure you have all your materials that were listed in the vine. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do with your wreath, you want to fluff out the branches because you want it to look very nice when you start to put your ornaments and your embellishments on your wreath. And this is how I do it. I just fluff out those branches. Make it look as if you can just put it up just like this, but you want it to look very nice. You can bring these down in the front, bring these up, and close that. Okay, sorors, let's get started with placing your bulbs on the wreath. Now, of course, you're going to use your hot glue gun, and it doesn't matter if you have a large hot glue gun or a small hot glue gun. We're going to take the bulbs, and you can have any color bulbs or any size you like. I chose to use the middle-sized bulbs. So I'm going to take in hot glue here at the top, just a little bit, and I'm going to place it right here. We're going to start right there. I'm going to take another color, do the same thing, place it right here, making sure that it's in there. You don't want it to fall apart. Just watch. Very simple. Now we can also move these bulbs in any area that you would like on your wreath. I'm going to go this way, right down in the center with the next section. And make sure it sticks. They do have a tendency to kind of slip, so we want to make sure it gets into the wreath. Okay, now I have placed the bulbs on the wreath, as you can see, and remember, you can place them on any spot on your wreath the way you want it to look, okay? This is just how I did it. Now we're gonna go with the embellishments. I chose to use these, and you know, you can pick up your embellishments from any store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but whatever you have today is fine. Okay, I'm going to start with my first embellishment. I'm just going to stick it there just to give it some color. Of course, you're using your hot glue gun.
This is how we do it, man.
And I think I'll put one on the other side as well. Okay, let's put one here. Okay. And when you're using your hot glue gun, sorors, make sure that you don't burn yourself. Just try to use it in a way where it won't touch your skin. I've gotten burnt several times, but you have to get used to using it. Let's put some embellishments over here. It's very easy, very simple. Now, you know, I think I want to add some pine cones. Make it a little bit festive looking.
do it, man.
Okay, there are my embellishments. Okay, Sorors, now our final step is to make the bow. Now, some of you may have brought ribbon or some of you may have brought mesh. Here's the mesh. And some may have, had some other embellishments like bows and that we can use. So what I'm going to show you first is how to make a simple bow out of this mesh. It's really simple. It's something that I made up. We're going to take and fold it and just keep folding it. What I would use is another piece of the ribbon or the mesh and tie it in the back to make a bow, or either you can use wire, but in this case we're going to use the mesh. So I'm going to take it, since I've already made it and folded it over, I'm going to tie it in the back. We're going to bring this out to make it look very fluffy like. Then you want to make sure you shape it, cut it. So I will place it in the center at the top, right there. And it really does not go with my bulb, so this is just a way of showing you how to make a bow. I think I'm going to use the topping because the topping matches a little bit with my bows. So it's very simple. If you have the clip on the back of your topping, you can take and clip it right here in the center. And make sure that's done. And I think I'll take another one just to make sure it's full. You can also hot glue these on if you want to make them stay. Okay, Sorors, so here is the simple or a basic wreath. As you can see, we have the bulbs, we have our embellishments, and we consider these embellishments as well. The little pine cones, the flowers, and again, I say you can find these at Hobby Lobby. You can even go to Michael's. You can go to Ollie's, believe it or not, Ollie's, if you're familiar with that store. Or at home. At home have some beautiful bulbs and embellishments as well. And of course, Amazon. You can always order from Amazon. And I hope your wreath looks just as good as my wreath. Because again, it is a basic wreath. My company does focus on other things as well. Personal care products, such as my body butters, hand sanitizers, hand wash, my oils. I do those as well. And I've added to my list my fedora hats. Now, with all of that, you can reach out to me on Facebook, Edwina Boggs on Facebook, or either you can call, text, or email me, or Instagram. This is where you will find most of my products, or you can reach out to me and ask me about some things, okay? So I hope that you have had some fun today in making your wreath. So thank you, Sorors, for tuning in and listening. And I hope again that you will share your wreath with me.